Are you looking to dabble into the stock market but are unsure of the best UK stockbroker to use? This video will let you know what to look out for when picking a stockbroker and will walk you through the best platform for investors in the UK. So the best stockbrokers should have the following features. It should be fully regulated. It should have zero commission and stamp duty, a huge selection of stocks. It should allow you to buy both non-leveraged and leveraged stocks. Unique features such as copying top traders, quick deposits and withdrawals, and great customer service. Luckily, there is a platform that has all these features with millions of users. It's called Etoro. Etoro is regulated by both the FCA and the SISEC. This means your funds are always safe and secure and you can trust the platform 100%. Etoro has zero commission, meaning that no broker fee will be charged when opening or closing a position and does not apply to short or leveraged positions. The platform has over 800 stocks to invest in, with also the option of investing in commodities such as gold or even cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. You have the option of buying the underlying asset with Etoro, and you also have the option of leverage trading stocks, up to 5 times leverage. A unique feature I've not seen before is the Etoro's copy trade feature. The copy trader system is one of the key reasons the platform is considered among the leaders of the fintech revolution. The general idea of the copy trader tool is pretty simple. Choose the pro traders you want to copy, decide on the amount you wish to invest, and copy everything they do automatically and in real time with one click of a button. Deposit and withdrawal times are extremely quick and you can start trading funds instantly. Etoro's customer service has live chat, email, and phone for any questions you have regarding the account. There is a reason why there are millions of happy users. So I'll show you guys how you can sign up, deposit, and start investing in minutes. So if you're interested in using the platform, check out the sign up link in the description. We recommend depositing £250 or more. Once you click our link, you'll land here. Click join now. Then enter a username, email and password. Accept the terms and conditions and then click join now. Once you've signed up, you may be asked to submit some documents for verification and security purposes. This is usually approved instantly. Now you're ready to deposit funds. Click the blue button in the bottom left here and choose one of the many payment methods available with Etoro. You can deposit with credit or debit card and even PayPal. Once you've done that, click submit and it will be credited instantly. Now you're ready to start investing. Let's say you want to invest in Netflix. This could be a good investment at the moment because their sales have jumped 25% in the most recent quarter and it seems that growth is going to continue. Netflix has almost 200 million global paid subscribers and is a solid long-term buy. So search Netflix in the search bar and then click trade. Put the amount you want to invest in and then click set order. That's how easy it is to buy stocks in the UK right now. Alternatively, if you want to copy a trader, go to copy people. Choose any trader you like and click copy. And there you go. Etoro is by far the best platform to use for investing in stocks right now. So if you're interested, use our sign up link provided in the description and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.